Hi, I'm Charli D'Amelio, and the Morphe 2 team has challenged me to the Morphe 2 in 2, which means I'll be using my favorite Morphe 2 products to do my makeup in 2 minutes. Wish me luck! So I completed the Morphe 2 in 2 challenge. It went pretty well. I decided to recreate my campaign look from the shoot and turned out pretty well. I really like it. The shimmer on the eyes is beautiful and it's still very natural, but a little sparkle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this challenge. And if you want to try the challenge or recreate this look, make sure you use the hashtag Morphe2 so we can all see your incredible looks.